back to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade, and today we're going to be making some shrimp and grits. For our shrimp and grits, of course, you're going to need some, I have some large shrimp here. The pack's at large, but these look like medium to me, but large, medium, peeled, deveined shrimp. I have some onions, one small onion that I diced, a half of a bell pepper that I diced. I have some sausages here, some bacon, some garlic, some butter, some Creole seasoning, Shelly's house seasoning. You can use your favorite all-purpose seasoning or just use some salt and pepper. It would work. I have some minced garlic here, some heavy whipping cream, some cornstarch, some Gouda cheese, some sharp cheddar, and some, of course, some grits. Alright, so let's get started. So let's move over to the stove. First thing I want to do, I want to start my bacon. I want to get my bacon in the pan. And if you watch my channel, you know I like to put bacon in the cold pan so I don't get popped trying to get the bacon down. I had already turned it on. And this is 5 slices of bacon that I've chopped already. I chopped this bacon already because we're going to use those bacon drippings and the bacon and everything to make our shrimp and grits. So now let's move over and let's start on those grits. Alright, so now I have my water boiling. I'll come in with a tablespoon of salt. And get my whisk that around so that the salt will dissolve. Now we're going to come in with my grits. Alright, so I actually just know how much to put in here, but read the instructions. So you want 6 cups of water to 1.5 cups of grits. But if you know how much grits to put in there, I'll go ahead, because I never measure my grits. I just know how much to put in there. But follow the instructions on the back of the box to get the amount of grits, the right amount for you guys. Alright, and you got to constantly stir grits. Grits you cannot leave alone. They will be lumpy. And once it's come to a boil, you want to turn them down. Always turn them down and just let them slowly come up and thicken. Alright, so we're going to move back over to our bacon. Let's see what's going on with our bacon. But remember, you must constantly stir this. Do not leave this alone. I don't care what they say on whatever. Do not leave this alone if you do not want lumpy grits. It is a constant stir. And you want to whisk or a spoon or a nice good wooden spoon to whisk these grits together. Alright, let's move over. Remember to turn that thing down on low, but them grits will pop you. Alright, we're going to move over to our bacon. So now that our bacon is where we want it, we're going to go in with our sausages, our peppers, and our onions. Off of that plate. Right in there. Like that. And it smells amazing already, and I haven't even added the garlic. Oh, my goodness, I'm telling you. Alright, so let's go check on our grits. Alright, let's go on a couple tablespoons of butter. Like I said, whisk constantly so you don't have lumpy grits. And we're going to come in with our heavy cream. About a half a cup heavy cream. Now, you want to slowly mix this in, because then that way the heavy cream doesn't splash on you, and it gives that butter time to melt. Just slowly do it. Now, if you want more butter, feel free to put more butter in here. But since I'm adding all this cheese, we don't need that much butter. And I got the heavy cream in here for a creamy consistency on those grits. Now that I got all that milk mixed in, I want to go in and give it a nice whisk. Just like that. Look at those grits. So creamy. No lumps nowhere. Trust the method, guys. Just trust the method. Alright. Amazing. Alright, so we're going to let that cook up a little bit, and then we're going to come back and add our cheeses to it. And by that time, our onions and peppers should be where we at, so we can add our garlic. So now that our grits are cooked a little bit, we're going to go in with some Gouda. Alright, only shy. About 6 ounces of Gouda. And we're going to put in like 3-4 ounces of cheddar. Now, if you don't like this much cheese, don't put this much cheese in. Alright. And cheddar. And just mix it in. Constantly stirring. I'm going to give the Gouda and the cheddar time to melt. It's going to be amazing. Look at that. And just get it from the bottom, scoop it up to the top, just like so. And we're just going to come back. We're going to leave it. We're going to come back. And we're going to work on our shrimp and grits. Our shrimp pot. Alright, we'll do that. Alright, let's go in with our garlic. A couple teaspoons of garlic. That looks amazing. Now we're going to come in with our shrimp, all of it. Now the fun part, we get to season it up. So we're going in with our Creole Tony's saturated Creole seasoning. Tony's. Give that Creole feel, that New Orleans feel. You cannot be complete without some Shelly's house seasoning. Shelly's house seasoning got some salt in it, and that Creole seasoning got plenty of salt in it. So this is good right here. Alright, and if I didn't tell you, we're going to use some chicken broth. We're If you got some seafood stock, use some seafood stock. Alright, so I'll be right back to show you what to do next. Alright, so while that is cooking, I'm going to come in with a cup of chicken broth. And to that, we're going to add some cornstarch. We're going to make a cornstarch slurry. And our chicken stock. We're just going to mix it in because it's all dissolved. And we're going to pour it right in, just like that. It's going to make our sauce, help make thicken our sauce. And we're just going to let it go for a few minutes. All going to thicken up. It's going to come together. It's going to be amazing. What we're going to do now, add that lid and let it do its thing. And when we come back, we're going to eat some delicious food in here. Look at this. This is amazing. It is done. Turning it off. Now let's get ready to eat some Créole Shrimp and Grits, guys. Look at this. Oh, takes me back to New Orleans. Oh, I'm telling you. Alright, so here is the end. So sad, so sad, but also so delicious. All the measurements and everything are going to be in the description box, guys. So go ahead down, look down there, and get all the ingredients that way. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe. So let's go in for a taste test and get some of this bacon, and shrimp. Look at that. Tell me that doesn't look like a winner. So yeah, take me back to New Orleans. It's absolutely amazing. Shrimp, perfectly cooked. So much flavor. These Gouda cheddar grits are amazing. Oh yeah. Y'all gotta make this down. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'm gonna see you in the next video.